it's me, Brittany, and I'm back with another video giving you a review of one of my favorite products. It is the Vanity Planet Spin for Perfect Skin set. I love this spin brush. It is a spin brush with 4 heads. It's for your face and your body, and I've been using it for a couple of weeks and I love it. My skin is smoother, my complexion is clearer, more even. It's a wonderful product. I use it every day. So it comes with, this is the handle, and you can order with different colors, and it comes with this handle and it has 4 attachments. It has the body brush, which is used for your body. I use it mostly on my legs. I had some dry patches that I had a hard time getting moisturized or whatever. I usually just was dry in certain places, and this took that away. I do use Dove Dry Oil Moisturizer. That's my new favorite body wash as well, so I use them together. And then it comes with a pumice stone attachment, so you can use that on your feet, your elbows, rough spots. I use it a little bit on the bottom of my feet, and it worked pretty well. I haven't like used it as much as I use the other attachments. And then it has 2 face attachments. Well, I guess the one can be used for the body, but it's small. This is the exfoliator attachment, and I use the exfoliator about once a week. I like to exfoliate. I don't exfoliate every day, but this is my once a week exfoliator. And then this is the cleansing brush that I use every day when I wash my face. So I do love these products. The cleansing brush is a little bit softer, and you know, it's just for the cleansing, and it gets away stuff. And I was kind of surprised because I tested it and I already washed my face, and I was like, oh, let me just try my spin brush. And there was a lot of transfer. I was like, oh, you know, I've been missing some stuff with my regular or my former face washing routine. So I highly recommend this brush. Now I will say it is $100 retail, but there are coupons floating out there. I lucked out when Vanity Planet was having a sale, which they have frequently, and I got mine 70% off. So I paid $30 for my set, and it was it's a very good investment, and they send you a bunch of coupons. I got a coupon for half off for ordering. I got a half off coupon when I got the package, and then I got another half off coupon for sending in a review. So I was like, we're doing good. So there's a couple other products that I saw on their website that I will be trying. Just be mindful, the spin, I don't know what I want to call this, the handle, call it the handle, you need 4 AA batteries. So just have that on hand when you're ready to go. You need 4 AA batteries. But it's a very easy attachment. As you can see, you just slip the attachment right on and you're good to go. It's not too bad. You can hear it's pretty quiet, and you just start it. What I like to do is put my face wash on first, and then I will take the brush, I wet the brush a little bit, and then I just simply massage it in all over. And then when I'm done, I do a rinse and I wipe it off with the cloth. Everyone kind of has their own way of doing it, but that's just how I choose to do it. But yes, I love it. I will take the exfoliator on my exfoliating days, do the exfoliator, and then go right behind it with the cleansing brush. Oops. And then you want to make sure that you clean your brush heads. So I clean mine right after I use them, but I use a little bit of either Dawn or like one of my cleansing shampoos to clean the brushes to keep them soft. And I do have one of those rubber brush cleaner things, but the one I use for the body in the shower, I just take some of my body wash and rub it in, it rinses it under the shower head, and it comes out clean. So I dropped one of my heads, but I highly suggest that you buy this set. I love, 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 love it. And I will be using some more Vanity Planet products. So as I order new products, I will be giving you reviews. Are there any videos that you would like to see? Go ahead and list it in the comments below. I'll be happy to do more videos. Also, make sure you like this one and see my previous video if you haven't seen it yet, and like that one too. And if you're feeling it, go ahead and subscribe. Until next time, I'll see you guys.